professional bridal makeup artist from Guwahati, Assam, and today with us we have Chandana here who's attending her friend's wedding. So let's create a look for her with Avon products we have today. So I've used these two products for the base, which is a foundation and a concealer. It is a light coverage foundation which is very light on the skin. Using this powder, which is a matte finish compact powder, and I'll be applying it on her face to set the concealer and the foundation. We'll be slowly pressing the powder under her eye, on the forehead, the T-zone area, just to set the foundation and the concealer. Using the smoky eye palette, and I'll be using the grey color, which is number 2. I'll be applying this color to her lid area, slowly blending upwards. Color number 4, which is a black matte color, and I'll be defining her edges of the eye. I'm using the same black color and I'm lining her eyebrow, keeping it very light. Now I'm going to use this shade number 1, and I'll be using this as a highlighter for her brow bone. I'm using this blue eye pencil by Avon, which is also a eyeliner, and I'll be lining her lower waterline with this. This color will complement her outfit very well. So always keep in mind that the color you use for your eyeshadow and your eyeliner, it should always complement your outfit. Supershock Mascara to volume her eyelashes. Using this duo palette to contour and highlight her face, I'll be using this shade to contour her face first. Starting from the ear and bringing it towards the front and giving a definition to her face. The gold shade, and I'll be using this shade to highlight her high points of her face. Using this lipstick by Avon, which is in pink color. It's a bright pink color. And it's a soft matte, will be very soft on the lips, not too cracky. You can see how pretty the color is. So here we are done with this look, which is an evening look which we created for Chandana using the Avon products. I hope you guys like the look, which is very simple and easy to create, and I hope you guys will create a look for yourselves too. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day ahead.